Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll teach you how to back up or recover photos in your iPhone. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open Settings, click on Apple ID, and tap on the iCloud. From here, you'll see the photos. Tap on that and make sure this is turned on. This is an important step to make sure that photos will be backed up. Now, go to your home screen. And this time I'll show you the easiest way on how to recover the photo. So in this example, I'll delete the photo. So go to Photos. Here I'll just pick a picture that I want to delete. And later I'll show you how to recover it. So this is the picture. Delete that one. Now scroll down. Tap on Recently Deleted. Now enter your passcode. And as you can see, this is the photo that I just deleted earlier, so let's recover that. Scroll up. From here, you'll see the photo that I just recovered. That's the easiest way. So now I'll show you how to recover a photo that's been deleted from Recently Deleted. So go to Photos, scroll down, click Recently Deleted, and enter your password again. So from here, I'll choose these photos. I'll delete these photos from Recently Deleted. So delete that one and this one. Now I'll try to load just to make sure that it's really not there. I'll just also delete this one because it's the same. So as you can see, there's nothing. So to back those pictures up, go to Safari, type in iCloud.com. Here, just tap on Sign In. You can continue with passcode, so I'll just do this. After that, just wait for it to load. Here, now I'll look at the photos that I just deleted earlier. So as you can see, these were the photos that I deleted from Recently Deleted. And that's it. That's how you recover photo from Recently Deleted using iCloud. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.